The title of this work of art is Preparativos para la Invasión, created by Angel Cabrales in 2013, which literally translates to the preparation for the invasion. Here we apparently have a grenade launcher and grenade with two colorful scarves tied to opposite ends of the launcher.
I also see colorful scarves that look to me like flags or symbolize flags. I see the Spanish word viva, which means life. We have an arrow pointing to the right and a grenade on the left. Also, the letter R follows the word viva.
If you will notice also that the grenade has the word can with what appears to be two numerals at the bottom, it reminds me of the word or name Cantu.
I think this is about a war because of the grenade and the scarf that looks like a flag representing a country.
I think it's about war and revolution or rebellion for similar reasons. It appears to be a call to war, especially the word viva followed by the letter R, which means to me, long live the revolution.
This artwork was created in 2013, which probably meant a world trophy to someone with an appearance in a past war.
I agree. It definitely could have been a trophy with the scarves representing a flag. The colors of the scarves appear to be cultural, reminiscent of South or Central American natives like Inca, Mayan, and Aztec.
The word life could also represent victory because they either survived the war and still have life.
The artwork makes me feel curious. I ask, why would somebody tie casual objects like clothing onto an industrial looking instrument of war?
I feel the same way. The artwork is a mysterious piece to me. The reason I feel it is mysterious is because the theme of murder is not really obvious, except for war.
I am curious as to why and how all these objects and words relate to each other.
Especially the word can with the two numerals.
This is a good work of art because the scarves are very colorful and vibrant. They balance the center object's dull and monotonous color and industrial feeling. The majority of the lines are horizontal or vertical, which would suggest an object that is at rest. Thus, the artist is not in the war, but before or after.
Also, what makes this artwork good is the scale of the piece. It is very realistic and life-sized. It feels as if the grenade and launcher came straight from the military.
Interpreting this work provides me with insight into armed conflict, especially its causes from the perspectives of rebels or revolutionaries.
This artwork made me think twice about words I might see on TV.
According to Angel Cabrales' personal website and third-party biography of him, his artwork in this exhibit is about fear and consumerism, namely how profitable fear is to retailers. The scarves represent products that we buy because we fear, and the products are our protection from death.
When I read what this artwork meant, I was surprised how off I was from what I was seeing. I was just seeing war and revolution when it was all about fear and marketing. This explains the word life on this art piece.
Comparing this work and the artist's interpretations to our own, we feel very surprised that we missed the mark by such a wide margin. We were focused on war and representation of culture and rebellion when it was about greed and fear, how fear can lace somebody else's pockets.
So that was our critical review of Preparativos para Invasión, and now we will leave you with a detailed view of each aspect to this art piece. Thank you for watching.